I welcome each one of you, my fairy likes, and I'd like to share the great news.
I've made $7,533 in a very short time.
One move of Ethereum made this trade possible. I saw this was coming and it was likely to happen, but it was so fast that it surprised me a lot. The market usually tends to be steady and sharp price hikes are rare. Each trader, though, has had this moment when the trade was closed after a really fast and significant spike. But of course, you shouldn't wait for such a sudden move. As you grow as an investor, you'll catch this moment. Let's find out how I managed to increase my bank account balance. Hi everyone, it's Faye. I'm glad to see you on my channel. Each of you can find trading insights here and a recipe for financial success. If you're watching this, you're definitely invested in a wise investment. You've taken the first step. My today's topic is risk, and there is a reason why I choose it. When I'm talking about investments, I often get this: "Faye, it's so risky. You could lose a part of your money at any time." Yes, it's true. Any of your forecasts might fail. Even big investors lose big money. You won't get 100% security here, and I know it from my own experience. You must have heard that I've been trading for 3 years. These years gave me the moments when I saw my money slipping away. But is this uncertainty truly bad? How often do you act in a way that might be risky? Maybe you like snowboarding, driving, and tasting new food in your travels. It's quite dangerous, you know. We in fact take risks every day. Investing money is just one of those things. There is a rule that says success cannot be insured. Each one of us would of course prefer to get a prize and be sure to keep everything along the way. But it's just a dream, and there are different ways of managing it. Someone is being foolish and regrets it afterward. Others prefer to analyze the situation, study the guarantees, and only after that place a bet. Everyone who invests carefully always listens to experts. My Telegram channel will help each one of you to approach the issue in the best possible way. Make sure you're subscribed. You will learn new things about cryptocurrency regularly and get lots of useful advice. This knowledge will obviously be helpful. But in case you'd like to minimize a failure, I recommend you to text me a private message so that I could add you to my VIP Telegram channel. There you will be able both get the necessary information and make money on the exchange with me. I share signals regularly, and you can use them to make more successful trades. All links are below this video. Everyone knows that the best way to teach things is to show your own example. I'm going to get into a trade and I'm not sure about the result. But if you make profit on it, you will subscribe to all my social media. Deal? Let's analyze Ethereum before we enter the trade. Imbalance is the main resistance in the weekly time frame, and the price can reach its level. The price is moving upwards at the moment along with the rising order flow. With imbalance, the order flow should be the same. Flat is clearly seen in the daily time frame. There will be a move when we come out of it. The price was in its lowest position with high liquidity. At this point, the trade is highly possible. So we expect the pool withdrawal and further growth. Here's the same sideways trend in the 4-hour time frame. It seems like an accumulation for me. The price is in the position for a trade. Further growth is expected. The same is for the 1-hour time frame. It's a decline for a liquidity grab before the upward move. My fairy-like, I always share signals in my VIP Telegram channel before I enter the trade myself. To become a part of this, just text me, "I wish to be in." Let's make money together. We're on Bybit. It's the place where I make my trades. We enter the trade at the market price and bet on short. I set take profit for 18.18 and stop loss for 18.35. I will also set a target for 18.24. Let's wait for the result. I'm going to monitor my trade so that I could get out of it or change my values at any moment. This way helps me to make more or lose less. Subscribe to my channel, my dear. Here I share my experience and use my own example to show you how to make more money on trading. I was monitoring the trade and saw a moment when the price stopped falling. It happened in a couple of hours. I got out of the trade. The price finally reached the 827 level. I've made $1,200 just in a couple of hours. It wasn't an easy trade and I'm really glad for the result. Sometimes to get a positive result, you have to keep an eye on trades, even if take profits and stop losses are all set. Guys, you all have seen it. My fairy like, I'd like to get out a simple message. It's not that scary to trade. It's much worse to be afraid of a first step. Here's the difference between successful people and everyone else. A successful person is not scared by new things even if they might be a failure. Take a life story of any well-known entrepreneur, athlete or musician. They have one thing in common. At some point, they were not afraid and took that very step. You must be ready to place a bet if you'd like to get big money. You won't be showered with it out of a sudden. An effort must be made on the way to financial success. And the right moment to start will never come. There will always be some reasons to delay the first step to your goal. It's nothing is being made for us. If nothing is being made for it, you will be waiting for the whole of your life. But it's not your way, right? And if you're still been waiting for your right moment, here it is. Start it right now and you'll thank yourself in a short while. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my social media. See you!